Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what's in my bag. This is basically my everyday bag and the bag that I use the majority of the time and carries like what I would like to say my whole entire life. It's so big, but it's because I need to carry so many things just to feel prepared for any moment. I don't really do handbags. I only do handbags for like outings or like fashion or things like that. But generally, this is the huge bag that I carry every single day. So I'm going to share with you guys what's in my bag. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with what I have in this huge luggage. Here's my bag. Takes up the whole entire screen because it's so big. This is just a beige bag that I purchased from TJ Maxx. It has a really nice material inside of it. It's like suede inside, which I really like because it's less likely to be stained. My favorite part about this bag is it has a detachable part inside. This part on the inside detaches and I just love it. I love how it's also neutral because it goes with any outfit, and I love that the bottom of the bag has this print on it, this stripe. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this pouch. I always carry around my laptop, but I obviously can't show it because I'm using it right now to film, but this is a MacBook Pro Touch Bar laptop and I love how it fits perfectly in this pouch. Let's go ahead and get started with what's in the pouch. So the first thing I like to carry is my agenda, and you guys saw this in my previous video. I'll go ahead and link down below how I use this. It basically shows me like what I need to be doing every day, my to-do list, and I just absolutely love this agenda. It's from Kate Spade, so I keep this in here. I also like to keep this notebook, and it's just a notebook that I got from Target. Again, I like to use this to keep my life together. This is mainly for groceries and recipe ideas and things like that that I like to write down. I just like keeping it handy just in case, you know, you never know. And then I have my pencil pouch, and this is basically where I keep all my pens and highlighters. I like to do my penning with a little bit of style, so I like to keep handy some highlighters, some gel pens. I just like keeping this handy because I like planning and I go all out when I plan. I have headphones as well. So these headphones are the ones that go with my phone, and then these headphones are the ones that go with my laptop because I really like wearing headphones when I edit. I just feel like I can hear the sound better. So I like keeping these two types of headphones handy. These are like the little pockets that are inside of the pouch. So that's where I keep my headphones, and then I also always keep a stack of my business cards just in case people want to, you know, get some business. This is my work business card. I always like to keep those handy because I always run into people. I remember one time I went to a party and people were asking me about my work, what I do, and I told them, and I got like 5 business cards handed out for people who wanted to know more about buying. So those are always handy. Okay, and another thing that's on this pouch is a zipper. So I also carry around these babies because you never know when Auntie Flo wants to come around. So I always carry those. I don't use anything other than Pampers, basically. So that's basically all that goes into this pouch. And again, I put my laptop in here as well. And this is just my security. And now we're gonna move on to what's under the pouch or around it. So I also like to carry around makeup remover wipes, and this is just because sometimes when I'm in my car and I'm touching my makeup up or I get my hands dirty, this is what I like to use to clean them. I'm actually running low, but I always like to keep these handy. I don't use these for my face ever. I just use it for like my hands or my steering wheel, because if I do my makeup in my car, sometimes my steering wheel gets makeup on it. So these are just very handy to have on. These are the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. And then, of course, I carry around my wallet, and just like my purse, my wallet is huge for no reason. I really want to downsize because this wallet is so big. It's from Adrian Vittandini. I don't even know who that is. But on this side, I carry all my cards. On this side, I carry gift cards, and I like how it has another opening for change and stuff. And I just love this pattern right here. That floral pattern is so nice. The next thing that I keep in my bag are my sunglasses. And these are my everyday sunglasses. They're from Key, Australia. I'll go ahead and link down below the style and everything, but these are like my favorite sunglasses. I just love how they match with any type of look. Like, I look super businessy right now because I'm on my way to work after this video, and they still complement my outfit. But if I was to be wearing a t-shirt and some sweats or something, they would still complement my outfit. I just love how versatile they are. They're so dirty, but I keep these handy in my purse as well, and I just like to keep them in this case right here. I don't want them to get like scratched or anything in my purse because I have so many things in there, so I just keep them in this case to keep them like, you know, protected from anything that can scratch them or damage them. I also carry around a charger for my phone because my phone's always dying, so I always have to keep a charger, especially for at work, because I use my phone a lot at work, so I need it to be completely charged all the time, so I just keep that in there. I also keep this beauty elixir in my purse. I think the brand is called Caudalie. Not sure, but my friend showed me this beauty elixir and it just refreshed my skin, so I wanted to get myself one, and I did. And I like keeping this in my purse to just spray on myself when I'm feeling a little bit hot or I need that like refreshment. So I like spraying this on myself whenever I need that like mist. I also keep some Zyrtec in my purse. The reason why I keep these in my purse is they're an allergy medicine. I don't know what's causing me allergies, but lately my body has been breaking out a lot. So it's very random, it's hard to explain, but basically like I'll go through moments where my skin is super itchy and I begin to not break out in hives, but I do get rashes and bumps. But then like a few minutes later, it's gone. Like my skin is back to normal. So I went to the doctor and they told me, basically, you're allergic to something, we just don't know what. It could be the heat, it could be a combination of things. It's really hard to figure out what it is. So they prescribed me a Zyrtec and they told me to keep it handy all the time because basically what it does, it's an anti-inflammatory. If your skin's irritated, then it kind of calms it down. So I always keep that handy. But I do have an appointment with an allergist, so I'm gonna figure out what it is. This is just like a temporary fix, but I always have to keep those handy, so that's why they're in my purse. That was the longest explanation ever. I also like to keep this Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume. This is the Fragrance Seduction. I like to keep this just to refresh my scent. I like to put this on throughout the day. Roller perfumes generally don't really last on me that much, so that's why I have to keep it handy to constantly apply. But I usually like to put this on like if I'm sweating a lot, especially right now in this weather. If I'm sweating a lot, like this is so convenient to have handy. But also like after lunch, if I smell like onions or if I smell like my lunch, I just roll it on, wash my hands. Like I just like having this handy because then you stay refreshed and smelling good throughout the day. And I like the scent. It's not too sweet, but it's a little bit mature. So I like it. I'm really bad at describing scents, so if you're at Victoria's Secret, you want to smell it. It's seduction. That's all I can say. I can't really describe scents that well. And then the last thing that I keep in my purse is this Nivea lip care lip balm, and I probably have shown this in like 7 of my videos, but it's my favorite lip balm. I love it. I love it because it kind of looks like a lip gloss, but it still moisturizes your lips. So I love this lip balm so much. That's basically it. That's basically everything that I have in my bag, everything that I feel like I need to really just feel covered. You know what I mean? I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this video. I do a lot of lifestyle videos, fashion, and faith videos. So if you're interested in those, don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.